Well, hello guys. I've entered this trade right now at 11:45 a.m. I am expecting the market to be above 1.3521. As you can see, I've taken one position at an average price of $83. That is, I'm going to make a profit of $15 here as well. As you can see, the indicative index is at 1.35272, and I want it to be above 1.3521. Let's see where that is. I need the market to be above this, and the market is here, so it will be an easy profitable trade. Well, second trade of the day for $15 again.